Before I show you this example, it may be a good idea to show you that if I go to settings, system settings, on the left I go and select crash recovery settings. By default, the backup interval is every 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, Civil Designer creates a backup should you have a crash. I'm going to go and click on OK. This crash doesn't happen very often, but when it does, our development team do their utmost to solve the problem for you. And thanks to the development team for creating a bug for me so I can show you what this crash looks like. I'm then go to draw, and let's say I draw lines, there's no problems. But if I were to go and draw a point, we'll find that there'll be a crash. Please do utilize these crash reports and also take the opportunity to automatically send us an archived version of the project. Here you could go and specify what it is you were doing at the time. And before sending the report, if you want to, you can see what the report contains. I have 2 screenshots. And the rest is then information that could be utilized to find the bug. What is very important is the Civil Designer log file, and I'll show you that once we've reported this. I'm then click on close, and then you would select send error report. To show you what that error report looks like, that is automatically created by Civil Designer. Those are the files that I showed you. I'm going to open up the log file. There's a whole lot of information stating what version of Civil Designer you were running, the loading process, and then scrolling right down to the bottom. If you recall, I went and put in a line, and then the last function we executed was putting in the point. That's an example of what these crash reports contain. Our development team might request that you send us an archive of the project so that more investigation can be done. What they might do then is send you a DLL file that you need to copy and paste in the correct position. I'm going to show you how this is done. So you would firstly want to unzip the file, copy it, and then paste it in the following location. Go to Program Files under your C drive, Knowledge Base Software, specify which version that you're using, and you preferably want to be using the latest release, and then go and paste it over here and replace the existing DLL file that you've had. That would then solve your crash